Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer files from the Android or iOS device to your Amazon tablet. So in the first thing, we need to open the APK Pure website or any other website with the APK files, but I like that one. And now we have to look for the Send Anywhere app. You can also enter to Google Send Anywhere APK download and you shall find it. Okay, now we have to tap on the download and download APK. Use your web browser or just the application if you have. And tap on the download again. Close that and choose OK. Remember to install the same application on your Android or iOS device also. Okay, we're done, so we can open it and choose install. Okay, now we have to agree the terms by this confirm button. Tap on the continue and allow permissions. Tap on the OK. And now on your tablet choose the Receive tab and select the files that you want to transfer on your second device. Like these photos. Now choose the Send and enter this code in your Amazon tablet. Click Receive and whole process starting automatically, and now we are transferring data from the phone to the Amazon tablet. And as you can see, now I have this picture from the iPhone. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.